China has successfully completed the installation of the country's first ultra-high temperature and ultra-high pressure gas production platform for the Ledong 10-1 gas field. Located in the High Basin, the gas field is under a sea area with an average water depth of 90 meters. The production platform weighs 9,200 tons and consists of the 1,900-ton production equipment that stands above the steel winch, which is over 100 meters high. Although the installation was affected by the extreme weather conditions and tidal currents underwater, the project team turned the bow of the vessel against the current and fixed the steel jacket to the seabed with 75 hours. The gas field is expected to produce nearly 600 million cubic meters of gas annually at its peak.